Welcome to my channel. I am Ganesh Rao, lecturer in Accountancy. I am going to explain what is the meaning of business in this video. Business. Total human activities are divided into two categories. One is economic activities. Number two is non-economic activities. Economic activities are again divided into three categories. Number one is what? Number one is business. Number two, profession. Number three, employment. In this video, I am going to explain. The first one is business. A state of being busy is called business. But in language of business, business is an activity, but it is a economic activity. This activity is undertaken to achieve something in the form of money. The main aim of any business is to achieve profit. Profit is the ultimate goal of, ultimate target of the business. For achieving this profit, he is busy in where he is engaged in the process of buying and selling of goods and services. To achieve the target of profit, performing the activities of buying and selling of what? Goods and services. Then what is goods? Goods means the items which are purchased for the purpose of sale. The items which are purchased for the purpose of sale is called goods. You take example, bookstall business. In the bookstall, what are available? Books are available. Why the bookstall owner purchased all those books? Only for the purpose of selling. Purchased in where? Purchased in one market. Selling in where? Selling in another market, for the purpose of getting the profit. Whatever the amount paid at the time of purchase of goods, that price is called cost price. Whatever the goods sold at certain price, that certain price is called selling price. Now you take example of one book, one textbook cost 100 rupees. He purchased, the owner of the bookstall is purchased what? Purchased 100 rupees textbook from one market. How much he paid at time of purchase? 100 rupees. After purchasing from one market, he is selling in where? Selling in another market at rupees 120. That 120 is called selling price. Now how much difference is it? Selling price minus cost price. 120 minus 100, 20 rupees gross. That is gross profit. What is gross profit? Selling price minus cost price, that is 120 minus 100, 20 rupees is the gross profit. From this gross profit, he is deducting a number of expenses. Number of expenses like shop rent, deducting shop rent, deducting shop electricity is deducting, shop telephone is deducting, and getting something answer. That something answer is called net profit. So out of 20 rupees, say example 12 rupees expenses, total expenses 12 rupees, 20 minus 12 rupees how much? 8 rupees. 8 rupees is the net profit. 20 minus 12, 8 rupees. That 8 rupees is called a net profit. So the main purpose of business is to achieve the target of profit. The person who is engaged in the process of buying and selling of goods and services, that person is called trader. Who is trader? Trader is a person who is engaged in the process of buying and selling of goods and services. That person is called trader. Then what is trade? Trade means the process of buying and selling of goods is called trade. The person who is engaged in the process of buying and selling of goods is called trader. Trader is undertaking the buying and selling of goods and services activities in one roof of building. That roof of building is called business unit or business house. Thank you, student. I am concluding this one. Thank you.